Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to automatically back up your workflows from the n8n automation platform to Google Drive. In the simple version, we directly create a timestamped folder in Google Drive. Then we get all our workflows, convert them to JSON format, and upload them to Google Drive. In the simple version, we directly create a timestamped folder in Google Drive. Then we get all our workflows, convert them to JSON format, and upload them to Google Drive. In the debug version, we configure the workflow to automatically send you a message if there's any issue with the Google Drive connections. Now, let's start building our workflow. First, let's add a scheduled task cron node. I usually back up hourly, but you can choose daily, weekly, or monthly backups if you prefer. To create a timestamped folder in Google Drive, we add a Google Drive Create Folder node. Here, you can use different system timestamps, but I prefer my own readable timestamp. Now, let's add the node that can fetch all workflows from n8n. All right, our workflows are here. Let's convert these workflows to the appropriate JSON format and name each file using To save the prepared JSON files into our timestamped folder, we need to use an existing node in n8n. Similarly, we take the file name from n8n and add the .json extension to it. Then, we set it up to find the target folder using its ID. For this, we'll go back to our first Google Drive node and get the folder ID from there. Uploading the workflows to Google Drive might take some time, depending on how many workflows you have. This process could take a few minutes. Great, our workflows have been successfully uploaded to Drive. If you want to use the more advanced debug version, we go to the Google Drive node. In the settings, we configure it to provide an error output branch when an error occurs. This way, you can connect any communication channel you want to these error branches. I usually use Telegram messages, but you can choose from other communication channels you have. You can find the codes for n8n automations and other software-related work on my website's blog section. I'll add the link in the description.